Hi, in this video you are going to watch about carbohydrates. This is very useful for B.Sc and P.C.B.Sc nursing students, which comes under nutrition subject. A carbohydrate is a biomolecule consisting of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So only we will call carbohydrates as a CHO. Carbohydrates are the sugars, starch and fibers found in fruits, grains, vegetables, etc. Carbohydrates are energy yielders to our body, which means the carbohydrates provides energy to our body. Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified into simple and complex. In this video, we will see the classification of carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are based upon the presence of number of sugar units, that is monosaccharides and disaccharides. Complex carbohydrates are polysaccharides like starch, glycogen, fibers. Let we see monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are called simple sugar, which consist of single sugar unit. Mono means single. Saccharide means sugar. So monosaccharides contain a single carbon chain. The monosaccharides example are glucose, fructose, galactose. Glucose. Glucose serves as a main source of energy, which gives energy to our body. Fructose. Fructose is a free sugar which is present in the fruits and honey. Fructose is the sweetest sugar. Next, galactose. It does not occur in a free state but occur as a constituent of lactose present in the milk. Next, disaccharides. Disaccharides are formed by combination of two monosaccharides. Di means two. So, when two monosaccharides combines, it will form a disaccharides. Example, sucrose, lactose, maltose. Next, sucrose. Sucrose is formed by combination of one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose. Glucose plus fructose is equal to sucrose. Example, sugarcane and beetroot. Maltose. Maltose is also called as malt sugar, which present in the cereals and grains. Maltose is formed by the combination of glucose of two molecules. Example, barley, jowar, ragi, etc. Next, lactose. Lactose is the sugar which is present in the milk. Glucose plus galactose is equal to lactose. One molecule of glucose, one molecule of galactose combine to form a lactose. Next, moving on to polysaccharides. These are the complex of carbohydrates made up of many monosaccharides. Poly in the sense many. Starch. Starch is a storage form of energy in the plant. Starch is the major digestible polysaccharide in the diet. There are two types of starch, that is amylose and amylopectin. The sources of starch is potato, barley, rice, wheat, etc. In this potato, barley, rice, wheat, we can see the starch. Next, glycogen. It is also called as animal starch. It is the reserve carbohydrate found in the liver and muscles of animals and human. Glycogen function as a secondary long-term energy storage. Next, moving on to fibers. This is indigestible portion of food derived from plants. Fibers does not add a fuel or energy to the diet, but it adds a volume to the food. The source of dietary fibers are legumes, vegetables, fruits, seeds and nuts. Thanking you. In the next video, we will continue the other topics of carbohydrates, like sources, recommended dietary alliances, deficiencies, functions of carbohydrates, etc.